Dear FIA,
This month, Barcelona will welcome the Formula 1 Spanish Grand Prix 2022. F1 continues to accept big tobacco's money and sponsorship, even though this sport has banned this activity since 2006, and this is not acceptable.
F1 racers are followed by millions of viewers worldwide, including thousands of youth. This partnership enables tobacco companies to reach F1's youngest fans, contributing to a new generation of smokers. For this reason, FIA must commit to ending all its connections with the big tobacco companies and ensuring F1 is free from their deadly influence.
Accepting the sponsorship of tobacco industry means being promoted and conflicting of the burden of tobacco. This is 8 million deaths a year among smokers and 1 million deaths among non-smokers.
We demand that FIA ends all tobacco sponsorship and stops driving addiction to protect the future health of its followers, in particular, its young fan base.
This is the message not only from Spanish advocates, but also of all youth ambassadors for the European Code Against Cancer.
We demand action.
We demand action.
We all demand action.